A day at the market. Maria woke up early on Saturday morning. She was excited because today was the market day. Every Saturday, she sold fresh fruits and vegetables at the local market. Maria loved her job because she enjoyed talking to people and sharing her fresh produce. After breakfast, Maria packed her basket. She took ripe tomatoes, bright green cucumbers, and sweet oranges. With her basket in hand, she walked to the market. The sun was shining, and the birds were singing. When Maria arrived at the market, many other sellers were already there. There were people selling flowers, bread, and handmade crafts. Maria set up her stand and arranged her fruits and vegetables neatly. She smiled at the customers who passed by. As the day went on, many people stopped at her stand. "These tomatoes look delicious," a woman said. Maria smiled and replied, "Yes, they are fresh from my garden." The woman bought some tomatoes and thanked Maria. Maria enjoyed talking to her customers. Some were regulars who came every week. They would share stories about their week while buying their favorite fruits. Maria felt happy when they left with big smiles. At the end of the day, Maria counted her money. She sold many fruits and vegetables. With a big smile, she packed her things and headed home. She loved her work at the market because it made her feel connected to her community. Maria knew that every Saturday was special, and she looked forward to next week's market.